Hi guys, welcome back. I recently bought a mod part for the SKX. This is what they call a pilot bezel. I intended to use this on another project, but unfortunately it wasn't compatible with that, so I'm now gonna use it on my SKX007 J1. I will be replacing the rotating dive time bezel with this non-rotating pilot bezel, and since I'm not a diver, I think it would be more practical to do this mod. In any case, it replaces the bezel directly, so it will theoretically fit like this, and it will look like that. So no more dive time bezel, just a smooth bezel. So first I need to remove the dive time bezel using a pry tool. I've seen a lot of tutorials online, and there are various methods of doing this. I think my pry tool is quite thick, and I don't want to force it or accidentally mar the case. So I gently put the pry tool between the bezel and the case, and I am able to remove the bezel. There we go. Remove the bezel and the click spring as well. Here's the click spring. I noticed the click spring is quite bent. Maybe someone forced it backwards to rotate the bezel backwards. Oh, by the way, this watch is from the used market. I bought it sometime early 2020. Yeah, for quite a hefty price back then. I've seen these go for much cheaper in recent months. So here I'm cleaning the case, since a lot of grime and dirt has been deposited in the well where the click spring goes. As you can see, it's quite dirty. So I'll do my best to clean this up. I'm currently using a wet wipe. I guess I'll do some more cleaning off camera, because it's not that dirty, but there's some dirt stuck in there. Well, I cleaned it as best as I could. So here is the pilot bezel. Ideally it supposedly just clicks in place, but I was told that a crystal press is needed for it to fit in properly. So here is my crystal press, and yes, it's a cheap one from China. I got this a few years back, primarily to press in the case backs of some of my quartz watches that have snap-on case backs that are quite difficult to put back and need this. So I select the dies that I think would work properly with this mod, here I am pressing the bezel in. It wasn't, well, it's not that hard to press the bezel in. You will hear a little bit of cracking, but that's just the bezel seating in place. So there you have it. It's a very simple mod, just a direct replacement for the dive time bezel. And here it is, the SKX with a pilot bezel. I think it looks nice. The bezel has no gaps whatsoever. I like this mod, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to change the looks of their SKX. I hope you like it. Enjoy.